Alright, we're going to be welding up some rebar cages today to go inside of our 16-inch Sono tubes, and these are going to support the back of the shipping container on the outside, of course. So you saw how we bent up our rings on a piece of a tree. Not too bad. All we gotta do now is cut it off, weld it together. It's about 9-10 inches in diameter. That'll fit inside our 16-inch tube just fine. We got some pieces cut. They're 52 inches long right here, and we're just gonna lay them down and spread these out evenly. Doesn't have to be perfect. You're never gonna see it's going down inside concrete. So let me turn on the welder and we'll get going here. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the BOCOMAL flame retardant welding wear. They have jackets, shirts, really nice stuff. Doesn't include the hood, that's a separate hoodie. But yeah, nice buttons on the sleeves. Let me show you this other one. They got these long sleeve t-shirts. Are great for the summertime because they're vented, and it's BOCOMALFR.com. check it out. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. It don't have to be pretty. Like I said, it's going down into concrete, so I'm going to probably add a couple of crossbars here and there. You get the idea. That'll set down inside that 16-inch tube. Here, let's try it. So that's what it's going to look like. And then the tube will be up about like that. Alright, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to check out BOCOMALFR.com. That's BOCOMALFR.com. Thanks for watching.